Good morning, everyone. My name is Marty, and welcome to my channel. Today, I am participating in a challenge for the month of August called Every Bit Counts Challenge. Now, this challenge is put on by our lovely host, Jessica, from Three Rivers Homestead. So come join me in the kitchen and keep me company. 25 pounds of tomatoes in the sink, getting cleaned up, and another 25 pounds waiting. Gonna do them up for tomato sauce for the winter. It's a wonderful add-in to make your own spaghetti sauce or your own homemade soup. So I bought 2 half bushels of tomatoes at our local No Frills for $10.99, I think it was, each, or 97 cents. I do it every year. I'll buy 2 or 3 and do them up for the freezer or put them into chili sauce in jars. I already have some in the oven roasting away. 2 big pans of tomatoes in the oven roasting. I think they got about another half hour to 45 minutes before they're ready to come out. And look how beautiful those roasted tomatoes are. And the juice from them has condensed down, so I'm just going to pop them out of the peelings. Well, I got the first round done. 4 bags of oven roasted tomatoes and 2 bags of the skins that I'll deal with later in a blender. Second batch of tomatoes in the oven. It smells so good. Really looking forward to getting the third batch in though and being done. Lots of these beautiful tomatoes going in the freezer. 4 more bags of roasted tomatoes heading to the freezer and 2 bags of the skin. This is really starting to add up. Third round of roasted tomatoes hitting the oven right now. I've just reduced the heat. I started out at 350 and these are cast iron pans, so it is a little high considering it's cast. And now I've turned it down to 275 and I'll hold the temperature there for up to 3.5 hours. It might take closer to 3.5 hours because this was the last of my tomatoes, so I really heat the pans. But as they cook, obviously they do lower in the pan as the moisture comes out. They compact. Well, thank you very much for joining me in the kitchen today. And a big thank you to Jessica for this wonderful challenge, Every Bit Counts Challenge, which you can jump in and join in if you wish anytime through the month of August, and just use the hashtag and mention the host's name. It really does add up, that little bit that you do each day, a little or a lot. It's the consistency, 30 days of consistency that adds up in your pantry. So take care, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow.